Jason's Texas Adventures, and I'm back in the kitchen. We're going to make some stacked green chili chicken enchiladas. Got the ingredients right there, as well as some chicken we're going to cook on the skillet. Right now I've got my corn tortillas going on the skillets. So buckle up, guys. Here comes a food adventure. Here we go. Got our boneless chicken breast cooking on the skillets. And would you listen to that sizzle? We've got the chicken here seasoned with Mi Tienda all-purpose seasoning from HEB, as well as some organic extra virgin olive oil. So we got the chicken all diced up, and this is the first layer of several to stack up these stacked enchiladas. I've got a base layer of Mexican cheese and some diced hatch green chilies, topped with our diced chicken that we just cooked on the skillet. And now I'm going to add the green chili enchilada sauce. You don't want to add too much though, just a couple spoons per layer. So just repeat the steps and stack these as high as you want. Alright, well, got these all stacked up. Next I need to melt the cheese, and I'm going to cheat a little bit on the cheese. I'm just going to stick this in the microwave for about a minute. And then I'll show y'all the finished product. Well guys, there you go. Don't that look pretty? Almost too pretty to eat, but it's about to be eaten here soon. So yeah, these are a popular dish in New Mexico, stacked enchiladas. And traditionally, these are also topped with a fried egg as well. Got me an avocado on the side with this to eat, and it is time to eat. So, with that said, another food adventure from Jason's Texas Adventures. Thanks for watching. The adventure continues.